The Free Transform tool, which is the third tool down in the Tools palette, will help you resize, rotate and skew your object. So when you select it, you get this square with points around it, and your cursor will change depending on what you want to do. So this double arrow on the corners, if you hover on any of those corners, you can resize your shape. If you hold the Shift key on the keyboard and then click and drag, you'll be able to change the size and keeping the proportions, the original proportions of your shape or of your image. If you hover on any of the sides, so let's say on the top and bottom ones, you can stretch or rescale vertically, and if you use the ones on the sides, you can rescale or stretch horizontally. Hovering on the corners, you get this sort of circular arrow which lets you rotate your shapes, and the rotation will always be around this point in the middle there. If you wanted it to rotate from a corner, let's say, you could move this center point or anchor point, and then your rotation now will be around that circle. I'll undo that. If you hover on the sides or on the top and bottom, you get these double arrows, and this helps you skew the shape. The transform window, which has the same sort of icon as the Free Transform tool, lets you do the same things also. It lets you rotate, skew, and also rescale your shape horizontally, vertically, and if you tick the constraint option, it will do it. It will keep those proportions again.